Ken with Pristine Clean. I'm here in North Ridgeville. We got this super dirty house. We are going to wash it today, gonna do some before and afters. I got my man Billy over here, got the Pristine Clean machine, and we got some absolutely disgustingly dirty siding. So it's just algae, a little bit of dirt and winter grime. So we're gonna wash that. I'll show you all the befores, all the afters. It's gonna be really great. All right, we are here. Now we're washing the siding, and man, you can see that crappy grime is definitely coming off.